Switching gears now, the latest testimony in the Shayna Hubers retrial focuses on her mental state. A psychologist told the jury today that Hubers suffered from borderline personality disorder and post-traumatic stress disorder when she killed her former boyfriend Ryan Poston in 2012. Local 12's Jeff Hirsch wraps up week 2 of her second trial.
At the time she shot Mr. Poston in 2012, Ms. Hubers' psychological condition was seriously abnormal.
Dr. Thomas Schacht said Shayna Hubers had a lot of serious emotional baggage. That's not actually the term he used. His was more scientific, but it was certainly the impression the defense wanted him to leave.
Ms. Hubers, quote, never had a healthy relationship. How relationships go affects the rest of her life. Bad relationship with dad growing up. Always thought needed a man to be complete.
The witness said Hubers' father had an unhealthy interest in her physical development when she was young. And also, Hubers was sexually assaulted while she was in high school at a football game. After that, he said, Hubers spun into a pattern of multiple sexual partners.
This is the kind of thing that is recognized as occurring in the aftermath of sexual assault. It may not seem to make a whole lot of sense that a woman who is assaulted would respond by going out and becoming promiscuous. Women who do this will say, I'm trying to find a good man. I'm trying to cure myself.
Dr. Schacht suggested that Hubers' traumatic past was a reason for the turbulent on and off nature of the relationship she had with Ryan Poston, and may have been a reason she pulled the trigger.
Do you have an opinion as to any relationship between Ms. Hubers' mental condition on October 12, 2012, and the shooting of Mr. Poston?
It's my opinion that Ms. Hubers' mental condition in 2012 was sufficient to do several things.
Among those things, distorted judgment and impulsive action. But in cross-examination, the prosecution suggested there may be far more to this case, or maybe far less.
Now, doctor, the people with these diagnoses that you told the jury about, they know right from wrong, or generally know right from wrong, correct?
Are you talking about in relation to the standard for an insanity defense?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
Yes, there is no insanity defense here, not in my opinion.
Jeff Hirsch, Local 12 News.
And the defense rested after today's witness. The prosecution is expected to call rebuttal witnesses when the trial enters its third week.